Hello viewers, this is Siva Prasad presenting this video on behalf of Indgiants. Indgiants Private Limited has been launched in July 2020 with a vision to bring about digital transformation in the education system. As such, Indgiants has launched two prominent mobile applications, Mindhouse and Lecturersclub. The digital transformation is envisioned through the Lecturersclub mobile app for trainers and tuition centers, and it is powered by Indgiants Private Limited. Let us educate India, empower India, and enrich India. Education and freedom are the greatest gifts to mankind. Teachers can now continue their classes from the comfort of their homes through this mobile application, Lecturersclub. And teachers can share their lesson plans, study materials, exercises, and assignments with all their students who register through this Lecturersclub app. Teachers can conduct online classes, upload their lecture streams to enable their students to adopt self-paced learning. And teachers can conduct quizzes. They can send push notifications. They can forward the reports of the quizzes to all the students. Dear friends, let us now see how we can go into the Play Store and install the Lecturersclub app. Reach out to the Play Store, type Lecturersclub, Lecturersclub without space. In the search bar, identify the Lecturersclub app, install the app. After the app is installed, it may take a while, a few seconds. Click on the Open button. And once you open the app, here you are, Lecturersclub, India's ashram mobile classrooms for masterminds. Sign up as a trainer. It's free. Just click on the sign up button, fill in the registration form to get your account activated. For that, type your first name, type your last name, type your 10-digit valid mobile number, type the name of your institution or the name of the tuition center, type your email ID which is valid in the format abcd@xyz.com. And don't forget to password and protect your account. And once you type the password, if you are referred by an unknown person to Indgiants, give that reference code and click on sign up. Hooray! You have signed up now. You can now enter into the mobile classroom. You would have received an SMS which consists of your identification code. That is a combination of the first 3 letters of your name and the last 3 digits of your mobile number. Enter either your mobile number or your email ID and type the password that is shared with you through the SMS, and then click on sign in. Once you sign in, there you are. Click on buy launcher package. Of all the packages, launcher is free. You can teach up to 10 students of one group, anytime, anywhere, through Lecturersclub mobile app. Once your account is activated, that is, your account is authenticated, this is the format of the app. A quick summary: go to the Play Store, download the app, sign up as a trainer, it's free, sign into the app, click buy the launcher package, it's totally free. Once you sign into the app, you can start taking your classes. In case you have a greater strength and the pandemic has disturbed you, don't worry, contact us. We are here to help you. We will definitely try to protect your expertise and help you to continue with your endeavor to take your classes. Okay. These are the features, intells of Lecturersclub mobile app. And you can use all these features to convert yourself into a global trainer. Adopt Lecturersclub, India's #1 mobile classrooms for masterminds. Thank you for going through this presentation. Next up, in the next video, I'll try to explain to you straight away how to use the Lecturersclub app. Bye-bye until then.